This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an upper arm blood pressure monitor. First, find a quiet place and sit comfortably for at least 5 minutes. Ensure your arm is resting at heart level, supported on a table. Avoid caffeine, exercise, or smoking for 30 minutes before your measurement. This preparation is crucial for obtaining accurate readings and understanding your cardiovascular health effectively. Next, let's properly apply the cuff. Place it directly on your bare upper arm, about 1 to 2 centimeters above your elbow joint. The air tube should run down the center of your arm, aligning with your middle finger. The cuff should fit snugly, but not too tightly. You should be able to slide 2 fingers underneath. This ensures proper inflation and accurate pressure detection. Now, taking the measurement is straightforward. Once the cuff is correctly positioned, press the start button on your monitor. Remain still and silent throughout the entire process. The device will inflate and then slowly deflate, displaying your systolic, diastolic, and pulse readings. Take 2 to 3 readings, waiting 1 minute between each, and average them for the most reliable result. Finally, understanding your results is key. A normal blood pressure is typically considered below 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury. Record your readings consistently, ideally at the same time each day, to track trends. If you consistently observe high or low readings, it is important to consult your doctor for personalized advice and further evaluation of your heart health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.